Good morning, everyone! As you can see, I just woke up now. So, I need some sunlight. So, I gotta take shower now. Bye! So, hi guys! This is my day 2 in Thailand. So, this is my Aura 30 days video. Grabe guys, hindi kang bilib na dito ako sa Thailand. Parang kailan lang nasa Pilipinas ako. So, nag-book na nga ako ng aming rides. So, ayan. So, waiting na lang kami. While waiting, aurahan ka muna. O, diba? Pak! Sino ka dyan, sister? Masya Allah, yung Lincoln Bridge nila, guys. So, harap na muna ang Awatharan. As you can see, nandito na kami sa loob ng car. We're on our way. So, last night pa ako hindi makatulog, guys. Kakaisip ng Thailand costume na yan. So, ang dami nga na pwede mo pagpilian. Depends on your style. So, ayan na nga. I'm going inside. So, samahan niyo ako. Flex natin ang beauty natin for today. Minsan lang ako magta-Thailand. So, I guess I'm gonna be back. Ready na nga kami for our Thailand costume looks. Oh, diba? Sino ka dyan? Ang ganda! Look, si OA. Ay, in love na talaga sa sarili ko, guys. Normal pa ba yun? First time ko nga nag-wear ng contact lens dyan. Let's ko lang yung ating aura. Haha. Napaka-arte talaga ng babae na to talaga. Well, that's what I like. So, you need to accept it. Kayo na mag-adjust, guys. Grabe, panas na lahat iti. Raya. Mainit sa Pilipinas. Mas mainit dito sa Thailand, guys. Just so you know. So, tara, i-explore natin yung water. Let's go inside. So, I'm gonna tell you some short of history about this temple. Or shall I say the Temple of Dawn? It's called Wat Arun. Wat Arun is one of Bangkok's most iconic landmark here in Thailand, guys. So yeah, I really love my picture here as in. So after that, guys, sasakay nga kami ng ferry. Then tapos na kami magbihis dyan. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko dyan, guys. As hindi ko kinaya, ang init talaga. So it's really hard to having some conversation with them, guys. As in, na para ka bang nagsa-sign language. Yung ganun atake. So, ayan, nasa pier na nga tayo, guys. Ang cute ng kanilang pantalan, guys. So, tingnan nyo. So, ayan, naglalakad na kami papunta dun. Ay, hindi, gumagapang. So, ayan, nagrereklamo na nga si Mayora. So, ang oras pala dito, guys, 1 hour yung agwat niya sa Pilipinas. Ang mahal talaga ng ice cream nila. Kukuha na nga lang kami ng ticket. Ticket ng ferry.
Hey guys, so we're here in Ferry now. Having a short trip. Going to Icon. You, guys. What's that? na kami kumain, guys. We're heading to our hotel. Unit. Saan tayo pupunta? Uwi na lang ako sa Flat Tower. Yellow flag. Yellow flag. This us. Ang init talaga dito. It's very hot. Look at the view, guys. I'm gonna show you the view.
So we go directly here in Agansam. So papasyal muna tayo sa mall, guys. Syempre, hindi tayo papatalo dyan. Let's go to the shopping. Ay, very bright ko talaga ang aura ko dyan, guys. So it's really my first time to wear the light color. Kasi lahat ng damit ko puro itim. Anong kalain mo yun? Tampon ka ba ng kadiliman, sis?
We're here with those guys. It's not real, it's not. Start with the big dog. This one. Ayan niya pa. Sige pa. So that is the big dog. Tagal na sa big kanina. Pero nice. Ano tayo? Sabi ko pa ng dog ko. Kaya nga. Akala ko ng aso. Ayan ako nakita ng aso. So we're not mahilig sa aso, guys. Magkano? Ikaw na bumili niyan. May Chanel na ako. Magkano? 5,000? So we're here at Victoria's Secret, guys. Wala kang sticky rice. Try natin eh. So we're looking for sticky rice, guys.
So ito na nga, ito-try na namin ang the best seller ng milk tea nila dito sa Thailand. So tara!
So guys, for today's video, we're gonna try the Thai tea, the best seller here in Thailand. Madam, which way were we able to go out? Yeah, this is the exit. We're going this way and then we're going to the right. Yeah. So these are the French. Kapung ka. Can you recommend the best seller here in your Thai tea? This one? Mango Yakult Matcha? But I don't drink matcha. Do you have any other option?
This is our signature.
Where? This one?
This one.
Alright. Kapong ka. Say hi to my vlog. Take our order. Para naman.
Okay, guys, we mix with the soda and pop. So it will be a little bit sticky.
Additional one.
Good, Jack? Okay.
That for me, I love it. That's so this is what I got, guys.
And after that, guys, nagpa-massage kami. I really wanted to try this Thai massage ever since. So yeah, eto na nga, nangyayari na nga talaga. So I really feel relaxed. Their moves is so very unique from the other massage therapies. So let me tell you some short story, guys. The girl said, really likes my skin. It's so very soft daw. Ano daw ginagamit ko, ganito, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Lo, napaka-arte talaga ng babae na yan. Papa-cute yarn. So, ayan, minamassage na nga ang aking kamay. Ang sarap, guys. As in, grabe, napakasarap talaga. Mas masarap pa sa kanya. Charot! Charot lang. Ito naman, paniwala agad. I really can't explain of what I feel right now, guys. She's so pretty good. Ang cute ni ate, ni. So, after a long day of gala, I deserve this. I really, really deserve this to feel so relaxed. In massage. So, ayan na nga. Binabali niya na nga ang aking paa, guys. As in, grabe, may ngatod sila lang mag-massage ka. Huwag sarap. Biya, si Kikura. Hi, mga ate. Tapos, guys, magpa-cute na isa bako. Ayan, biya, di paglooron ra ang bawaian. Then, after that, guys, back massage naman. Naku, talaga, napakasarap talaga. As in, malawa to din mga hangin mga laumbaran mo rayang. La, okay ka lang, girl. So, see you on my next vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Grazie! Bye!